Hi children, hello my dears, 5th class children. How are you all? How did you celebrate Dasara? I hope you did well. Okay children, during Dasara holidays, what did you do? Yes, you played many games and you taken many more food items, very delicious dishes. Your mother prepared very delicious dishes, no children? Yes. Did you take homemade food? Children? Yes. Sometime we are eating outside food also, no? Pani puri, yes. And noodles, yes. Okay, children, if you eat roadside food or uncovered food, what will happen to you? If you eat roadside food from the hawkers and uncovered food from the hawkers, what will happen to you? You may get vomitings and also loose motions, isn't it? Recently my friend eaten Manchuria, okay, from the roadside. Yes, they may get loose motions and vomitings, isn't okay? So if you eat roadside food or uncovered food like noodles, manchurias and pani puris, you may get loose motions and headache and fever and also sometimes cough, and sometimes your body may leads to dehydration problem. Loss of water causes dehydration, okay? Sometimes it may leads to death, okay children? So children listen, if you do not use mosquito net, what will happen? Mosquitoes may bite us. Sometime female enough this mosquito may bite us and causes malaria. Okay, if you drink contaminated water, polluted water, what will happen to you? You may get typhoid. Okay children, and yes, if you eat stale food, what will happen? Yes, you may get diarrhea, loose motions. Okay children, so before eating you must check whether it is good or bad, whether it is clean or not, whether it is hygienic or not. Will you check before eating? You are 5th class students. Many of your friends eating roadside food. I observed many times. I told to them don't eat uncovered food and roadside food, but they ignore. Yes, they also suffered so many diseases. Okay, those who are follow the good food habits, they are fit and healthy. Okay, coming to the lesson. Okay, health is wealth. Children, did you heard this golden proverb? Health is wealth. Did you heard? Yes. What is the meaning of health is wealth? Ask your mother, or you only find out the meaning of health is wealth. Coming to the lesson. Okay, so to keep healthy, we must live in a clean environment with fresh air to breathe and clean water to drink and good food to eat. Okay children, so to remain healthy, our body needs a balanced diet and regular exercise and also rest. What is the meaning of balanced diet? Did you hear that word? Yes, last year you have learnt in last year. Yes, what about the balanced diet? What are nutrients? Once recall children, what is a balanced diet and what are nutrients? Children, from morning till night we eat so many kinds of food. Yes, food is very important for us. Many kinds of food and many times during the day, no children? Yes. Those food items contain some useful substances Those are the nutrients. Those are all the nutrients. Okay. Food contains of nutrients. Okay. Nutrients are chemical substances that provide nourishment to our body. So the different nutrients that our body needs to stay healthy are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so nutrients means nutrients are chemical substances, are useful substances in our food items. Each and every food items contain some useful substances. Okay, those are the nutrients. Those are all the nutrients. Nutrients are five types. What are they? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are all the types of nutrients. I come again. From morning till night we eat many kinds of food, no? Yes. Each food items rich in one or more nutrients. One or more nutrients. Okay. What are called nutrients? Nutrients are chemical substances that provide nourishment to our body. The different nutrients in our body are that our body, yes, the important nutrient that our body needs to stay healthy are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Did you hear that word nutrients, children? Yes. Last year you have to learn food and digestion lesson. Yes. Okay, nutrients are the useful substances or chemical substances which provide nourishment to our body. Nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates are also nothing but energy giving foods. Carbohydrates are two types, sugars and starch. They give us quickly energy giving food. They give us quickly energy. People who do more physical work, they need more carbohydrates. Who are doing more physical work? Are you doing more physical work? Are your mother doing more physical work? Are your brother doing more physical work? Yes, the people who do more physical work, always they have to use their body parts. Rickshaw puller, gardener, farmer, okay, sports person, they are always practice the game, no? Yes, they need more carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us more energy. Okay, so carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Fats also give us more energy than the carbohydrates. Okay, so potato, okay, banana, sugars, okay, bread, rice. Every day we are eating rice, no? We give us yes, rice is the energy giving food. Okay, rice is the energy giving food. Every day we eat 3 times a day, no children? Yes, so carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Proteins are the body building foods. You need more proteins. You are the growing children. For growing children, they need more proteins. You are the grown up children, no? You need more proteins. Okay, proteins are very important for you. Okay, these are required for the growth of the body and repair worn out tissues and means healing of wound. Healing of wound. Okay, sometimes if you are in the playground, sometimes suddenly you may fall down, you may get a wound. For quickly healing the wound, you may eat proteins. Proteins rich in meat, chicken, eggs, milk, pulses. Okay children, don't forget it. You need more proteins. You are the grown up children. You need more proteins. Okay, proteins are the body building food. Milk and eggs are protein food. Protein foods. Okay now, so protein helps you to grow and worn out tissues. Okay now, and also new cells also formed. Okay children, and next vitamin, yes, fats also give us more energy than the carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. Fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals. Don't forget it children. Every day you have to eat fruits and vegetables. They protect our body from diseases, against diseases. Okay children. So listen. Every child need a small quantity of vitamins and minerals. Okay na, they are very useful to our body. Okay na, food rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Okay, green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, meat and fish are rich in different vitamins and minerals. Okay na. So vitamins means vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K. These are all the vitamins. Kashmiri found the vitamins present in the fruits and vegetables. Okay, minerals means calcium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, okay, iron, iodine. These are all the minerals. Let us discuss about these. Okay, so our body also, beside these, our body also need roughage. Roughage means fiber. This is rich in fruits and vegetables. Okay, fiber. Roughage, yes, roughage provide fiber which give bulk to our food. It is found in the fruits and vegetables. Okay, na beans, ladies finger. Okay, na. So it also help to get rid of undigested waste. Okay, from the body and prevents constipation. Is it clear? Okay, last year already I taught that. Okay, and our body also need water. What every day you have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Water is vital for all the process of living organisms. Okay, now, and also yes, for digestion, for excretion. Okay, and also it helps to maintain the normal body temperature. It is also the main constituent of blood. Is it clear, children? So our body needs a balanced diet and our body also need water. What is a balanced diet? The diet that contains all these nutrients in right amount. Okay, the proper proportion, okay, of the body is called the balanced diet. Okay, now the diet that rich in all the nutrients in right amount only. Don't take too much of fat, don't take too much of carbohydrates. Every day we should take balanced. Okay, children. So the diet means what, amma? The food we eat daily is called diet. The food that we eat is called daily is called a diet. The food that we eat daily is called a diet. What is a balanced diet? To remain healthy, our body needs a balanced diet, regular exercise and rest. No, what is a balanced diet? The diet that yes, the diet that rich in all the nutrients in right proportion, proper proportion. Okay, that is called a balanced diet. Okay, children. Yes, coming to the lesson. Today we are going to discuss about diseases and prevention. Diseases and prevention. What is the name of the lesson? Chapter 5, diseases and prevention. Now we are going to discuss about diseases and prevention. Okay, children, what is a disease? Disease is an abnormal condition of a body, abnormal condition of one or more body part that does not allow the body to function properly. That is called a disease. Okay, children. So lack of or deficiency of these nutrients can cause diseases. Is it clear? Deficiency of or shortage of or lack of these nutrients in our diet can cause some diseases. Is it clear? Some diseases are caused by deficiency of nutrients. Some diseases are caused by unhealthy food habits and also microorganisms. Is it clear? Disease is an abnormal condition of one or more body parts that does not allow the body to function properly. That is called a disease. What are the causes of diseases? Diseases are caused by the deficiency of nutrients and also some diseases are caused by microorganisms and also unhealthy lifestyle. Okay, now drinking alcohol, smoking and drinking alcohol, take too much of fat. Okay, now those are all the unhealthy food habits. Okay, children. Diseases are of two types. What are the two types of diseases? Non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. What are the two types of diseases? Non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Communicable diseases also called infectious diseases and also contagious diseases. Okay, communicable diseases also called infectious diseases and contagious diseases. Okay, non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to another. Okay, now These are caused by lack of shortage of nutrients in our diet causes non-communicable diseases. Okay, non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to another. They are caused by shortage of nutrients in our diet. So communicable diseases spread from one person to another, like a corona. Okay, corona also spread from one person to another. No, that is the communicable disease. Those are caused by microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, fungus, and protozoa. Is it clear, children? So the two types of diseases are non-communicable, communicable. Non-communicable do not spread from one person to another, but communicable diseases spread from one person to another. Non-communicable diseases caused by deficiency of nutrients in our diet, but communicable diseases are caused by microorganisms or microbes or pathogens or germs. They such as virus, bacteria, fungus, and protozoa. So we will discuss about the non-communicable diseases. Okay, now. So these are caused by lack of nutrients, no children? Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss about these. Okay, children. Today you have to read the textbook. Okay, bye.